Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Swipe up from the screen bottom and hold to open the Recent Apps view. Use the gesture or press the Recent button to reveal app cards. Find the app card you want to close and swipe it up or sideways. That gesture removes the app from the recent list and stops its foreground process. To close every visible app quickly, tap Clear All at the top or bottom of the screen. Clearing recent apps reduces active processes but does not always stop background services. Open Settings, then go to Apps or App Management to view installed apps. Scroll or search to find the specific app you want to close and tap its name. On the App Info page, tap Force Stop to immediately terminate all running processes for that app. Confirm the action when prompted to ensure termination. Force stopping prevents background activity until the app or a system component restarts it. Be aware that force stop can interrupt unsaved data and scheduled notifications. To control apps beyond closing, open Settings, then Battery or Background Usage. Select the app and choose Restrict Background Activity or Optimize Battery Usage. On some phones, disable Auto Start to stop the app from launching itself after reboot. You can also revoke unnecessary permissions to reduce automatic behavior and network wake-ups. If storage issues persist, open Storage on the App Info page and clear cache to free.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.